In this video, we will learn how to install Microsoft Teams on Mac. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once connected with the internet, simply go and open up your browser. In my case, I would be going for the Google Chrome. In your case, you can go for Safari or whatever. So here what you need to do is simply go and search in for Microsoft Teams. Here we go. And space and download. So we will be downloading the desktop version of Microsoft Teams. So here you can see teams.microsoft/downloads. So simply go and open up this link. So wait a bit because these days website is on a lot of traffic pressure. So here we go. Now what you need to do is simply go and click on download Teams, and here click on download Teams. So simply go and close this pop-up and click on download Teams. So the Teams download will start in few moments. So I will be back when this download is finished. You can see the download is finished. So you can see the team package is here. Simply go and open up this package, and the installation process will begin shortly. Here tap on continue. Install for all users, click on continue and click on install. It would ask for your Mac password, so simply go and enter that password, and you can see within few more moments. So you can see the installation is successful. Close it, and if you want to move it to the bin, that the installation package, you can move it to the bin or you can keep it as you want it. So here now if you want to use a team, so simply go to your applications. Here we go, and here you would be able to see the teams. Simply go and open up, and here we go. So it would simply ask for your sign in, and you can go with the sign in of your Microsoft account. So hope it has helped you in installation of Microsoft Teams on Mac. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.